Hello all, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and again today we are going to see another DAX function, that is remove filters. So remove filters, as it name only suggests, we use to remove the filters. So let's see the data what we have and what we want to perform. So our table name is just sales, and that table I have loaded from our local Excel workbook, right? And let's see the data, what data we have. So we have some country, product and quantity data, right? So so what I will do, I will just create a one table and just drag and drop country. So here I just increase the size, right? So now I drag and drop quantity. So now you can see how much quantity we have for the product. Like in Australia we have some mobile 10 mobile 10, we have 10 mobile, 10 20 laptop and 30 AC, right? So now I just create a one measure total quantity, that is it will give the total quantity for each country, right? Total quantity. So just select sum and quantity q. Yes, that I just drag and drop our measure, it will give the same result what we have. I just want to use in remove filters, that's why I created a new measure, that is total quantity. And now I will drag and drop our new measure. You can see both uh, column give the same result. Only difference is that first column we directly drag and drop from our table. So now our total is 313, right? So what we want to remove the filters. Like here we want total, right? So we want to remove the filters, like currently we applied the filters on country, right? So that's why it giving the uh, total quantity 60 India, then again it will apply the filter on the basis of country, right? So if I click on the new measure, cancel, click on the new measure. So currently we applied the filter on country, so that's why it's giving the each country total quantity. Now I will give the DAX name as same what we have our DAX name, our major name as a DAX name. Now calculate. So remove filters is a filter function, we can't mostly we use with the calculate, keep in mind mostly we use with the calculate or any other function. So now, so we have total quantity, right? So we want total quantity, but we want to remove the filters, right? So on which column we want to remove the filters? So we want to remove filters from country. So if I select the country, now you can see the difference between the, we just added remove filters to the calculate. Now I drag and drop our new measure. So now you can see 313. So now it will ignore the filters, that whatever the filter we have. So it will give the total. So that's why it ignore the all the filters and directly give the each row same number. So now you may have the question when we can use. Suppose we want to find the percentage of each country out of this total, then at that time we can use the remove filters. Now suppose we want to find the percentage, right? I will click on the new measure. So here I will give the name as percentage with remove filters. Whenever you want to find some percentage out of some total, then we use the remove filters right? Now we use the divide. So divide, what is our numerator? Numerator is total quantity, right? And denominator is remove filters, that is total 313. 60 divided by 313, right? So alternate result is, suppose we want to show the 0, right? Now you can see the percentage of each country out of 313. So now I just change the data type of our function. Now I will select the percentage. Now it will show in percentage. So now you can see out of 313 we have the 19% for the Australia, and if you see the Ireland the highest number, so that's why it's showing 25%, right? So remove filters and all, there is another function, that is all, both are same. So remove filters and remove filters and all, both are same. So now we will see the all function. Now already we added the total quantity, so now we will see the how to use the all. So now I will just click on the new measure, and I will give the our measure name as a DAX name, that is all. Same syntax is also same, calculate, then we want total quantity. Now here also all function is the filter function, we need to use mostly with the calculate, right? So here either we have the two options, we want to remove the filters from table or column. So currently we want to remove the filters from column, and column name is a country, and right, so I will select the country. Now close the bracket. Now we can see the result, it will give the same result that what we have achieved using the remove filters. So now I will drag and drop our new DAX into our table. So now you can see 313 and remove filter 313, even though percentage also give the same result. Now I will create a new measure. Now if I want to find the percentage of each country out of total, that is 313. So now I will percentage with all. Suppose here again I will use the divide function. So numerator is each country total, so that is total quantity. Now I will use the all function, right? And alternate result is 0. If nothing is there, it will show the 0, right? Now again I will drag and drop that our new function into our table. So again I will change the data type of our new function, that is percentage with all with the percentage symbol. So we can see it will again show the same result. So now you may ask, what is the difference between all and remove filters? So remove filters we can't use with the direct query, just keep in mind. Remove filters we can't use with the direct query. Whenever we connected our data with direct, then we can't use the remove filters, then at that time we need to use the all function. So that's all about the remove filters and all DAX function in Power BI. So if you have any question, please write down in comment, and please subscribe the channel. Thank you.